Hello everyone, today we are going to show you about the development of an initial physical therapy device with body tracking for the osteoarthritis patients. My name is Phonteera Punyakamonprida.
And my name is Chanichkorn Sornsongkram.
And this is our presentation. For the introduction, nowadays orthopedic problem is a very important health issue. From the statistic of orthopedic patients in Thailand, there are more than 6 million orthopedic patients, and mostly they have osteoarthritis of knee. The main causes that cause the osteoarthritis is knee is the easiest deteriorated joint because it's had to take the weight of the body directly and always moving. There are many ways to treat the osteoarthritis, such as the surgery, chemotherapy, and naturopathy. For example, acupuncture, eating the healthy supplements, and physical therapy. We are interested in physical therapy because it doesn't cause the side effect after the treatment, but patients have to do it regularly for the good result. The physical therapy has to take a long time, so that costs the higher cost as well. And in the current situation with the COVID-19 outbreak, physical therapy is becoming more difficult. For all of the reasons, we decided to invent an initial physical therapy device with the body tracking for osteoarthritis patients that can help the patients do the primary physical therapy continuously, effectively, and easily. For the functions and feature, our device can tracking the body in the real time. It's using the machine learning to calculate accuracy that can help the patients do the primary physical therapy by themselves. And it has a Wi-Fi module to connect the internet for a result of primary physical therapy. Materials and methods. For the materials, we use an acrylic sheet, jump wire, screw, Logitech camera, NVIDIA Jetson Nano board, and SD card. The invention of initial physical therapy device. First, we designed the equipment frame with a solid work program. 2 is fasten the NVIDIA Jetson board to the frame. 3, we fasten Logitech USB camera to the NVIDIA Jetson board. And 4, we connect the module TH-ET-HG-21065 wireless NIC for the Jetson Nano to NVIDIA Jetson board. And this is the picture, our frame, and our device.
Okay, in the method, we use a MobileNet SSD model that we use single shot detections, and this is help us to detection from the pulse fast and not require much in resource. As we can see in the picture, we use image that we have a data in the real time that we use Logitech camera to insert, and through the model we divide it into a little square, and it will provide that we can take a pose from this. Next slide, please. And this is the data that we use to train our model. We have a lot of poses to train our model, and we select it for 5 poses. Its name is hamstring, hip slide, hip abductions, long quadriceps, and short quadriceps. We use a different angles and different persons to increase in variety and flexible to tracking, like in the right on your photo. Next slide. Yes, and the method that we use is have 2 ways to do it. Is have image recognition that we tell that to remember what this is. Like in the first page, I told them this is a dog. And when we use object detection that is developed to our device, it can object detection to see in the picture and label it. And on the right is our XML pad that we use for training our model. Yes, next slide. This is a picture that after we train a model and we trace the same pose but different angles, and the result is we can see it clearly and we have labeled it. Next, this is how the programming do. And Thank you. This is all our presentation.